what we're having a look at here is this Casablanca Ventura II in the chrome finish with these white sailcloth blades, which I think is really cool. It's got these white sailcloth blades with a gold Casablanca logo on them. There's the Casablanca tag. I'm not sure of the size of the diameter of this thing. It is more than 52, that's all I know. I'm gonna come up here and get a top shot of it. Forget where the sticker is, it must be on the other side. Is there even a sticker on there? Yeah, it's on the other side. I forget what year this is from. But yeah, I got this thing from Facebook Marketplace. And yeah, it came with this, what looks to be a palm tree pull chain fob. We'll start this thing off on low. This is the new permanent install in my sunroom. I was fully convinced I was going to leave the RMM1 Zephyr here, which I ultimately wanted to, but I want to be able to run the fan in here without having to worry about it failing. An RMM1 Zephyr, you know, that RMM1 has kind of a high failure rate, and I kind of want to preserve it because it's neat. So I just decided to go with this once I found it, and with the sailcloth blades, I think it's just too cool not to have hanging somewhere. And I will eventually get a light kit for this as soon as I find one. I really want to find a chrome K4S for this fan. But I'm not really in a rush for it. Here's medium. The bearings are silent in this fan. It was missing the flywheel screws when I got it. It was also missing the crossbar screws. And if I'm remembering right, I think it was also missing the crossbar. Basically, the seller had a Ziploc bag with screws in it that were supposedly for the flywheel, but they didn't fit. So I don't know where those screws came from, but we'll go to high speed now, and you'll see when we get to high speed, the blades make this weird sound. We'll see if it does it on camera. Starts shaking real bad. Now, since I'm making a video of this fan, it's probably not going to do it. But for those of you who saw my Facebook post, I did post it in the ceiling fan group a while back. I'll leave this on high for another 30 to 40 seconds just to see if it will start doing it or not. So I guess it's not going to do it right now. But I think what happened is one of these blades are not, they don't have the right tension on this part right here. I'll do it once it spins down. It spins down really quick. The blades are, you know, pretty lightweight, except for where they attach there. And these blades are also very, very, very delicate. So you have this nut here, and this wire attaches to it. And I think I need to adjust the tension on this wire. So what ended up happening was one of the blades would start shaking real bad on the end, and it would start making an awful sound. And if I can find that video on Facebook and download it to my phone again, I'm gonna see if I can attach it to this video. So yeah, other than that, I think that's all I got for this fan, and I'll definitely be making another video of it whenever I do find a light kit for it. But for now, that's all I got for the Casablanca Ventura II with sailcloth blades.